Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, James here, and today me and Dylan, he's away getting the ball, is we're gonna be attempting trick shots, like some crossbars, like hitting off the rebounder. Wait, where is it? You can see it. Off the rebounder. There, yeah. And then there's a basketball hoop somewhere. There's Dylan. Oh my god, he missed. Oh, Balotelli! Okay, so guys, we're going to be doing trick shots. Hope you enjoy. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how it works. Me and Dylan here. So, yeah, I'll show you. So, you throw it in the basketball hoop. Comes down onto the rebounder. You can't have a touch, so you have to just throw it in the hoop. So you have to throw it in the hoop, get it onto the rebounder, and then try to hit the crossbar. It's going to be a challenge, but yeah, we're going to see how it goes. None of us can hit us. It's a big L, but we're going to try, so yeah. Okay guys, we're starting now. Dylan's gonna go first. Okay, Dylan. Hit it! Oh. Okay, I'll try to right. Oh, wait, I have to get it in the hoop. I'm horrible at basketball. Oh. We don't have boots on, so this is you could have turned around and got something. Got a good one. Oh! Over the bar. Oh, Dylan, come on now. Hit that. Oh! Okay, last shot. Let's do it again, guys. We're going to keep on doing it until someone hits it. Dylan, come here. We're going to keep on doing this, guys. We're going to do a second round. So just have to get all the balls together and we'll do the second round. Guys, I'm going to be going first this time. So yeah. We'll try to get a top corner too. Like if you can't get a cross court. Oh, come on, that was a bad shot. Shooting by me. Oh, hit that. Oh. This one's going to the gulag. Oh, insane. Oh god, guys, I've missed the hoop again. It's not you're in your room. You dang up. Oh, what's my phone again? Play the clip. Oh, Messi. Okay guys, we're going to get up the next trick shot, so hope you enjoy. Okay guys, we are going to be doing like volleys headed through the two hoops, that hoop and the crossbar. Head it there, yeah, it'll be good. So we're going to get to the volleys. I'll be going first. Get down, just throw it down. Yeah, we're going first. Okay, let's go down. tree. Dylan, come on. That's close enough. Seeing how hard it is to actually do a volley like that. It's a half volley. You know, you get your balls. Okay, guys. Dylan's gonna go now. I'm sorry I didn't have the crossbar ball. It is what it is. I'm alright. Then we're gonna do 1v1s. Ready? That's your shot. That's your shot. You shouldn't have hit it if you didn't want to hit it. Why did you? These are worse than mine. That was absolutely yes. Give it to me. Oh. That was way better than all your shots from behind. One more at the top of the tree. Don't actually. I'll buy this. I'll buy this. Okay, I'll throw it. Still. Oh, how did that stop? That's what to do. Yeah. Not this. It hit off your back foot through. He's back. Oh no. Yes, give me it again. Just give it. Give it to Fonzie. Oh! Let's go! Ow.
Get up, you.
Oh no. Yes, give me it again. Just give it. Give it to Fonzie. Oh! Let's go! Ow.
Get up, you.
Coco Melon.
Subscribe and like.